This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Ethan Simpson. Located on the east side of the beautiful Hot Springs Village. This perfectly maintained home built in 2021 offers a wonderful mixture of elegance and comfort. This floor plan offers an open concept between the living room, dining, and kitchen, and boasts large bedrooms for all the interior comfort you could hope for. Or relax with a private back porch setting. This level lot provides a beautiful mixture of rock and grass for easy maintenance with a pristine look. Come experience all the happiness and amenities the village has to offer and make this your forever home. Copy and paste the link to view the floor plan with associated click to view pictures based on the room. Floor plan tour, https://unbranded.visithome.i/i3zigzap u9 9 by 4 mn ? mu equals foot and T175 41638 for more information.